Hello, so welcome to this very wet allotment day. So it's the King's coronation, so congratulations King Charles. Also World Naked Gardening Day. Yeah, I'll put a little short video on that, say no more. So I'm here down at the plot, even though it's peeing it down, and I'm probably the only one here, to be honest. So first of all, I'm here to collect some asparagus for dinner. See, lots popping up now. And it's also nice to check the gutterings are working. So when it's raining quite heavily like today, it's always good to check my my roofs, my canopies are all working as they should be, so no leaking. So I'm happy with that. It's filling these two IBC tanks up. So lots of roofing and lots of guttering, and I've got a secondary roof there which should be watering the strawberries. Yep, happy with that. So of course they've all got drainage and holes at the bottom, so it's all going through and they're not getting too soggy. So sugar snaps are doing all right. They're the only things I've planted in here. So melons, loofahs and cucumbers are going to go in here. I've got something to do with this trellising which I got from a mate Skip, so not too sure what I'm doing. These are spare sugar snaps that I'm just growing up here, so they should be being watered as well, hopefully. So all my spuds are coming up now. So these are first earlies planted deep, so they're coming up. And then these are my mains, Desiree, which are planted shallow. So I've got to earth all this up. And let's have a look at my onion seedlings. Are doing all right. You see, they're liking this weather. Garlic's doing okay. Let's have a hop over here. So yeah, I've not been here for a few days, and I've noticed a lot of mare's tail is coming up. You can see that plot's neglected, although they've only just started work on it now. But yeah, there's lots of mare's tail coming across from this way. So I keep having to pull it out. So I've got some bindweed and mare's tail. So tomorrow when I come, hopefully the weather's a bit better, I'll bring my hoary knife and we'll have a good go at it. Yeah, spotted some of it down there as well. Peas doing all right. Nobbled by the, what do you call it, the beetle, weevil, pea weevil. So they've been nibbling the leaves, which is okay. Brassicas. Broad beans start to flower. Noticed lots of little flies in there today, so I don't know what they are. So my brassicas, I've got broad beans, peas. What else? I've obviously got comfrey, so that's just going to keep on cutting that and using it as mulch. So yeah, I'm just hoping the peas, obviously going to be protected by the brassica cage and netting, and they're also going to be boosting the nitrogen loving plants. So I don't want to be planting sprouts too nearby, because then the energy will just go to the leaves of the sprouts and not the actual sprout itself. So that's something for me to think about. So yeah, this is the runner bean frame. The wind normally comes across quite strongly, so I need a good strong frame, which this is. So I've just sown some runner beans directly in there now. The soil's warm enough. So here's going to be my sweet corn, and it's obviously going to be protected by the runner bean frame to start off with, because the wind is that strong. And then here, down. This is my Monge 2 Shiraz peas that seem to be doing all right. obviously everything's covered because of the pigeon wankers. See how my garlic's doing. They're coming along now. A few weeks ago I thumbed around the bulb, and I do this to onions as well, because it makes the bulb get bigger. So I dug deep where the bulb was and made sure there was no soil surrounding it. So hopefully I should get some, and they're not going to be bolting. We'll see. I'm not too hopeful, to be honest. Yeah, so there we go. So I've got to go get some asparagus, and I'm taking that guttering home with me as well for my potting shed. Ta-da, see you later.